Long, luscious locks have been a symbol of beauty and vitality for centuries. If you're on a journey to achieve thicker and longer hair, you're not alone. In this video, we will discuss some tips for hair growth, guiding you on your path to achieving the hair you've always dreamed of. 1. Balanced nutrition for hair health. Achieving healthy hair growth starts from within. A well-balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein is essential. Incorporate foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, nuts, and fruits for a nourishing foundation. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish promote scalp health, while biotin supports hair growth. Drink plenty of water to keep your hair and scalp hydrated. 2. Gentle hair care routine. Caring for your hair gently can prevent damage and breakage. Use a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to avoid stripping natural oils. Limit the use of heat styling tools and opt for heat protectant products when styling. Detangle hair gently with a wide tooth comb to avoid unnecessary stress on the hair shaft. 3. Regular trimming. While it may seem counterintuitive, regular trims actually promote hair growth. Trimming the ends removes split and damaged hair, preventing breakage and allowing your hair to grow healthier and longer. 4. Scalp health matters. A healthy scalp provides a fertile environment for hair growth. Regularly cleanse your scalp to remove excess oil, dirt, and product buildup. Consider using a scalp massager to stimulate blood circulation, promoting hair follicle activity. 5. Essential oils for hair growth. Certain essential oils have been linked to improved hair growth. Lavender, rosemary, and peppermint oils are known to stimulate the hair follicles and promote circulation. Mix a few drops of your chosen oil with a carrier oil and gently massage it into your scalp. 6. Protective hairstyles. Protective hairstyles like braids, twists, and buns can shield your hair from external stressors and manipulation. Just be sure not to make these styles too tight, as they can cause damage to the hair shaft. 7. Stress management. Stress can impact hair health. Engage in stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Managing stress promotes a healthier overall well-being, which in turn supports hair growth. 8. Hair growth supplements. Supplements like biotin, collagen, and multivitamins can support hair growth when used in conjunction with a healthy diet. Consult a healthcare professional before adding supplements to your routine. 9. Be patient and consistent. Remember, achieving thicker and longer hair takes time and consistency. Be patient and stay committed to your hair care routine and healthy lifestyle choices. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.